how to check your most listened to artist on Spotify. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. Want to see which artists you listen to the most on Spotify? Whether you're curious about your music habits or just want to check your top artists of all time, Spotify has a few easy ways to do it. So let's dive right in. Open up your Spotify app on your phone, and then you need to tap the profile picture in the top left corner, and then if it is available you can tap on your sound capsule or wrapped, or you can head over to listening stats, and then here you can see your top artist. Just easily as that, you can see your top artist and the top songs. So if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.